Hello and welcome to Janky Cooking with Jessie. Today we are going to do a 4-ingredient showstopper. Anyway, we're going to make rice pudding. The recipe I'm using is Danish because it's what I found. It says risengrød. You can either run this through Google Translate or, as you'll see, it actually is pretty clear when you just go in. So 1,000 grams of milk, which is milk. You want to be my assistant? There's not actually much to do, Ivy. It's almost done. And then you need to put in 50 grams of sugar, which is sugar. And then you need to put in a knives bit of salt, which I believe is a teaspoon. Put the lid on. See, it has that picture, that's how you know. Oh, I think it says without the measuring cup. 8 minutes at 100 degrees Celsius at speed 1. There we go. Moving on, our assistant has returned because she felt left out. The next step is to add 220 grams of grøn ris, which is basically rice. Here, let's take a slow-mo on this. Rice for rice pudding. And I think effectively it's just extremely, I'll show you a tiny bit, extremely short grain rice. You see? Yeah. Would you climb off the countertop, please? Thank you. This is the one we are using because it's what we have, but we'll be out of that soon and I'll have to find a US equivalent. Anyway, next step. Without the lid again, we're going to put this on, or without the cup. We're going to go 30 minutes at speed 1, temperature 90 degrees Celsius. The thing about rice pudding, why I don't like to make it, is because you have to stand and stir it a lot. But not in this case. That makes me very happy. So in 30 minutes, we'll have rice pudding. And I'll check in with you with some pictures at the end. Thank you so much for watching Janky Cooking with Jessie. Have a great day.